Welcome to Flash English, your English channel where you learn fast and easy. Stay until the end and test your memory. Share this video with a friend, like if you enjoy learning English, and subscribe for more. Let's start. Spoon. Spoon.
Spoon. Spoon is used for eating soup.
Spoon. Spoon.
Spoon.
Fork. Fork.
Fork. Fork helps you eat food.
Fork. Fork.
Fork. Fork.
Knife. Knife.
Knife. Knife. Knife cuts food.
Knife. Knife.
Knife. Knife.
Plate. Plate.
Plate. Plate. Plate holds your meal.
Plate. Plate.
Plate. Plate.
Bowl. Bowl.
Bowl. Bowl. Bowl is perfect for soup.
Bowl. Bowl.
Bowl. Bowl.
Cup. Cup.
Cup. Cup. Cup is used for drinking.
Cup. Cup.
Cup. Cup.
Mug. Mug.
Mug. Mug. Mug is great for coffee.
Mug. Mug.
Mug. Mug.
Glass. Glass.
Glass. Glass holds cold drinks.
Glass. Glass.
Glass. Glass.
Cutting board. Cutting board.
Cutting board. Cutting board protects your countertop.
Cutting board. Cutting board.
Cutting board. Cutting board.
Frying pan. Frying pan.
Frying pan. Frying pan cooks food quickly.
Frying pan. Frying pan.
Frying pan. Frying pan.
Pot. Pot.
Pot. Pot is used for boiling and cooking.
Pot. Pot.
Pot. Pot.
Lid. Lid.
Lid. Lid. Lid covers a pot.
Lid. Lid.
Lid.
Spatula. Spatula.
Spatula. Spatula flips food.
Spatula. Spatula.
Spatula. Spatula.
Ladle. Ladle.
Ladle. Ladle. Ladle serves soup.
Ladle. Ladle.
Ladle. Ladle.
Whisk. Whisk.
Whisk. Whisk mixes ingredients.
Whisk. Whisk.
Whisk. Whisk.
Tongs. Tongs.
Tongs. Tongs. Tongs pick up hot food.
Tongs. Tongs.
Tongs. Tongs.
Peeler. Peeler.
Peeler. Peeler removes fruit and vegetable skin.
Peeler. Peeler.
Peeler. Peeler.
Grater. Grater.
Grater. Grater. Grater shreds cheese.
Grater. Grater.
Grater. Grater.
Colander. Colander.
Colander. Colander drains pasta.
Colander. Colander.
Colander. Colander.
Measuring cup. Measuring cup.
Measuring cup. Measuring cup measures liquids.
Measuring cup. Measuring cup.
Measuring cup. Measuring cup.
Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon measures small ingredients.
Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon.
Measuring spoon.
Rolling pin. Rolling pin.
Rolling pin flattens dough.
Rolling pin. Rolling pin.
Rolling pin. Rolling pin.
Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl mixes ingredients.
Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl.
Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl.
Oven mitt. Oven mitt.
Oven mitt. Oven mitt protects your hands.
Oven mitt. Oven mitt.
Oven mitt. Oven mitt.
Apron. Apron.
Apron. Apron protects your clothes.
Apron. Apron.
Apron. Apron.
Kettle. Kettle.
Kettle. Kettle boils water.
Kettle. Kettle.
Kettle. Kettle.
Blender. Blender.
Blender. Blender mixes drinks and food.
Blender. Blender.
Blender. Blender.
Toaster. Toaster.
Toaster. Toaster makes toast.
Toaster. Toaster.
Toaster. Toaster.
Microwave. Microwave.
Microwave. Microwave heats food quickly.
Microwave. Microwave.
Microwave. Microwave.
Oven. Oven.
Oven. Oven bakes delicious meals.
Oven. Oven.
Oven. Oven.
Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator keeps food fresh.
Refrigerator. Refrigerator.
Refrigerator.
Freezer. Freezer.
Freezer keeps food frozen.
Freezer. Freezer.
Freezer. Freezer.
Sink. Sink.
Sink. Sink is used for washing dishes.
Sink.
Sink. Sink.
Faucet. Faucet.
Faucet. Faucet. Faucet provides running water.
Faucet. Faucet.
Faucet. Faucet.
Dish rack. Dish rack.
Dish rack. Dish rack dries dishes.
Dish rack. Dish rack.
Dish rack. Dish rack.
Can opener. Can opener.
Can opener. Can opener opens cans.
Can opener. Can opener.
Can opener.
Bottle opener. Bottle opener.
Bottle opener. Bottle opener opens bottles. Bottle opener. Bottle opener.
Garlic press. Garlic press.
Garlic press. Garlic press crushes garlic.
Garlic press. Garlic press.
Garlic press. Garlic press.
Food container. Food container.
Food container. Food container stores leftovers.
Food container.
Food container. Food container.
Kitchen timer. Kitchen timer.
Kitchen timer helps you cook perfectly.
Kitchen timer. Kitchen timer.
Kitchen timer. Kitchen timer.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, hit the hype button, subscribe for more. See you in the next video.
One more try, make it stick.
Flash English, Flash English,
Talk to me, don't be shy.
Flash English, fast enough to fly. Good morning, what's up, how are you?
Use them out,
Make them true,
order food, ask for help.
hear the word,
Trust yourself.
read the signs.
the joke
Every line
is one more stroke.
Write it down.
Then let it go.